So today we're going to be changing the gearbox oil and gas filter and gasket, of course, on the BM. Oh, look at that, lovely. That is the oil drained out the pan. Now just moving, this is for the filler. So you're unbolting this, 10 mils, and it should drop. Just taking off these clamps. Some of them there. Taking off these wrists. So we'll just tighten up these bolts all the way around, put the filler neck back in and fill it up. And that's it all done, filled it up, took it out of the test drive, seems all good. So this is a new car. Hopefully I've just put this clip in and I'll do a full kind of introduction, or in fact I'll make that a different video. But yeah, this is the new BM, and this is a Dodge Ram van day thing with Bob. So yeah, these are the two projects that are coming to Amsterdam, and we're going to take a road trip there. So yeah.